Hello friend, welcome to my channel Views Innovative. Today we'll know about what do you mean by software engineering. That is what do you mean by what is software and what is software engineering. Okay, so software is the part. Software is that part of computer which we can feel but we can touch. You can work on Microsoft Word but you cannot touch it inside. Means hard copy you can touch, but uh, how it is, if you write, you want to take out the letters, you can do it. That is the thing. And hardware is that part of means computer which you can touch physically, like pen drive, your printer, monitor, computer, everything. So then what is software engineering? Software plus engineering is software engineering. That I already told you. Soft the product, what is software? The product that software professional build and then support over the long term. Like anything, like WhatsApp is a software, everything is a software, daily to daily software here there. And software means covers these things, instruction, that is some computer programs you need to write some code that will be executed, provide desired features, functions and performance. Then some data structure that will also content, and also documentation, because like in software SRS, software requirement specification is very essential, that describes the operation and use of the program. Then software product, there are two type of product actually, generic product and customized product. Generic product means any software like your financial management, that is a tally software, that is generic standalone system that are marketed and sold to any customer who wishes to buy them. Example, PC software as editing, graphics, program, project manager, CAD, computer aided design software, that are fixed. You can change as per your requirement. You can check. You have to adjust within that software to build your product. That is generic. Then customized software, that is commissioned by a specific customer to meet their own needs. Suppose as a company, any company from your software company will make a software for a particular bank to need, first of all, then you have to take their requirements and as per their need that will be built. That is a customized product. That is embedded control system, air traffic control system, because ATC is different in our country, then in USA, then in German, like that thing. Traffic monitoring system, all the things. Why software is important? Because why? The economics of all developed nations are dependent on software. Because everything from what we learned from that pandemic, COVID-19, before this nobody knows that detail. Nobody knows in detail about Google Meet, Zoom. In this, they are become the real boss in the industry, big shots. Okay, and effective, and so cloud computing become much more popular. That is a version also of software. Okay, so more and more systems are software controlled, transportation, medical, telecommunication, military, industrial, like that things. Software engineering is concerned with theories, methods and tools for professional software development. Expenditure on software represents a significant fraction of growth national product in all developed countries. That is the thing. And software costs often dominate computer system cost. The cost of a software on a PC are often greater than the hardware cost. So software cost more to maintain than it does to develop, because maintenance is the major thing. You have to take the annual maintenance charge for the company for which you are developing the system software. Means you develop the software, customized software. Software engineering is concerned with cost effective software development also. It is known as economical feasibility. Then features, like its characteristics that make it different from other things human being built. Feature of such logical system are like the software is developed or engineered. It is not manufactured in the classical sense. Like you manufacture nut, bolts, cranes, trains, but here software you engineered. Software doesn't wear out. By the time down the line, what the engineering product you made, that may be wore out, but software never wear out, but it deteriorates due to change. Yes, we have to upgradation. You are getting upgrade in Like if you are using Samsung phone, regular upgradation will be there. iPhone also. Hardware has bathtub curve of failure rate. So suppose some hardware fail, so that time that cannot run. Okay. And although the industry is moving toward components for construction, still software continues to be custom built. Regarding the custom, we have to build it. Here, increased failure rate due to side effects. See, actual curve will be this, and increased failure rate due to side effects means if you are using poor hardware running or poor system, that might affect the software. So that is the thing. So all of you know software in hotel you can have use, you can embedded software, engineering, scientific software, application software, system software, product line software, web apps, AI, artificial intelligence everywhere, and IoT is everywhere. So open world computing, like that, net sourcing, open source. Now the all like your Ubuntu, it's open source. Huge features are there in Ubuntu. In also Microsoft, everywhere you can find. So data mining, grid computing, cognitive, all things come here. And as per the IEEE definitions, the application of a systematic, disciplined, quantifiable approach to the development, operation and maintenance of software, that is the application of engineering to software. Also that is known as a software engineering. It means software. And minimally we can say that the establishment is of sound engineering principle in order to obtain economically software that is reliable and works efficiently on real machines. That is the thing. And like that, more and what is its importance? The more and more individual society rely on advanced software system, because in like your Android phone you are using sandboxing security system. We need to be able to produce reliable and trustworthy system economically and quickly. It's cheaper in the changing environment. So that's all about the basic of software, its importance, what is hardware and thing. So next class we'll cover other basic parts of software.